Hello,
听到吗？
hello, can you hear me? Hello, OK 吗？OK 啊？OK, hello everybody. Welcome to join us our today's webinar. And the topic of our today's webinar is to introduce our monitoring portal for the combined inverter and hybrid AC coupled inverter. First of all, you should register your account as a installer account or distributor account. And here you can select as your role. If you are end user, then you can select here end user. First, you select your country and the username, fill in your email address, and fill in the capture code as you can see at the right side. Then fill in your password of the account and double fill in the account again. And here you can click read and agree, then you can finish the end user account creation. But here, if you are installer or distributor, then you can fill in the relate information according to your condition and like country, role type. Here you can select you as a distributor or installer and use username, email address. Here is important that the invitation code you can ask them from your superior distributor or superior installer. But if you buy the inverter directly from the SAJ, then you can ask for SAJ to create a distributor or installer account for you. And here click read and agree to finish the account creation. Okay, let's move on the next step, and I will log in with installer account for the instance. When you log in successfully, then you directly you can see the basic information of your installer account. Here you can see the total quantity of the plans you already create and the status of the plan, normal offline alarm and then not monitoring. And here is showing the all inverters belong to your installer account. Here you can see the normal stakes and offline alarm and no monitor quantity. Here showing the total capacity of the all inverter belong to your this installer account. Here we'll show you the basic information. And let's move to the plan list. Okay, when you click plan list, then you can here will show you the plans you already create. As you can see here, we already have 2 plans existing, and this one with the arrow, and this one is open is the normal one plans. And when you need to add one more plan, you can click here to add the plan and type in the serial number. and click next, and here fill in the plan name, like, and here the grid price is depend on the local grid operator and the units of the money. Here, let's leave it. And the load monitoring function is means if you install the external meter and the Wi-Fi module of the AC side, then you can turn it on, and it will mention you to fill in the meter module serial number. But this function we are under design and will be released in about next 2 months. Then let's click next. And here we will request you to fill in the information of your plant. Here you can upload the plant, real plant pictures, and here select the country you're already in. Here, for example, here I select the country Netherlands, and select the canton, and the address is depend on you, and you can just leave it empty, and or you can just type in whatever you want. Yeah. Then next step, you will here will show you that you can type in the email address to receive the daily plan report or the general information of your plant. The maximum quantity of the email you can file in is 5 email. Here you can fill in the email address and turn on the report enable. Then you can select the report daily and weekly, monthly, and what time you prefer to receive the report on your mail. Here you can select which type of the report you prefer to receive. Here is normal and important, urgent, and actually we suggest you to select only the urgent because the normal and the important report that it means the inverter also is working fine. So never mind about this. So we suggest you to select the urgent one. Then click the create plan to finish the plan creation. Here, here you can see we just finished the plan creation, this one. And actually this plan is belong to you. And as because as you are an installer, probably this plan is for the end user. So you probably need to do the plan transfer to the end user here. Here you can see plan transfer. You click here and type in the plan name. Then select the plan and transfer to the right side, which means you select this plan and type in the username of the end user. Yeah, you can see, and select to the right side and click here to finish the plan transfer transportation. Here we'll show you. Please enter the password. The password is your login password, and the default login password of our portal is 123456. And here the plan is transferred to the end user successfully. Actually, if you don't know the username of your end user, here you can click account here to go through all end user you already create. The username, email address, and the user address. Okay, actually, you also have the other way to realize that the end user can go through the information of this plan. Here you can see we have function like plan visitor, and wait a second. Yeah, here you can click add to type in the end user account and choose the plan you want to share with the end user. Here we select this one, and here you have four type of authorization rights for the visitor to operate on this plan. Here you can see only view the and monitoring, which means the end user don't have the right to do the configuration of this inverter and cannot do the edit on this plant. And click here to finish the okay already, because this plan is already the uh, is already belong to this end user account. So here the portal have this alarm. When you click the icon here, you can see the all the visitor of different type of the account, and you can edit here, and you can delete here. Okay, let's go to the next step. Here you can go through all the inverters belong to your this installer account, and actually, if you don't buy the SAJ inverter directly from us, then actually those SN number is belong to your superior distributor. So if you like a superior distributor, then when you sell out to finish the delivery of the inverter to the sub installer or sub distributor, then you need to transfer the serial number to your installer, to your sub installer or sub distributor. Then the serial number will be belong to the installer and the distributor. For example, you can here select when if you sell out deliver this one inverter to your sub installer. Here you can fill in the serial number here, and here type in the installer account. Then you can finish the transfer of the serial inverter serial number. Then this inverter will be belong to this installer account. But as you are the superior distributor or superior installer of this account, so in this condition, you can also have the right to configure this inverter as this installer account, because you are the superior account of this installer account. So actually, if you have the quantity of the serial number is huge, then you can have the second way to upload the Excel file to load to finish the transfer uh, uh, quickly. Yeah. Here you can see all the inverters around today, and as you can see, today's alarm is only one today's alarm, and here also you can click here view the detail, then you can get the general solution regard this error. Here you can see, please switch off the AC breaker first and cut off the DC switch for 5 minutes, then restart the inverter. If this error occurred frequently, please contact local agents or SAJ service line. So, so here you can get the general solution of the error, and here you can select the which one inverter you want to check and the date and the time here. Okay, next, here we have function there which we called the role plan display, which means that if you have a big screen for the reference to the end user or installer, here we can see go through all the plans we already done in this distributor account. Within this interface, you can go through the plan names, the owner, current power, the plant capacity, and the total generation production today, and the total production. Yeah, it's it's for the showing to the end user or the installer for the reference. And here you can select the unique one plan you want to show as the reference to the customer here. You can do the setting here. Rolling plans will show all the plans you already have, and the single plans will show the only one plans you want to show as the reference for the end user and the installer. Yeah, then you can click save to finish the setting. And here is the account management. Here user information is showing your account's information detail, username, company name, and the email address. And here you can see the invitation code. Is that actually this invitation code is for your sub installer or sub distributor to create a distributor or installer account. If you supply this invitation code to your customer, then when they when they do the account creation, then with this invitation code, then when they finish the account creation, and their their account will be belong to your sub installer and sub distributor. Then it will be easy to do the management of the account. Here you can also change the password here, current password and the new password, and double filing the new password, then can finish the password change. And here you can you click distributor here, then you can click add to add more distributor account as you want. Fill in the username, email address, and the company name, and also the phone number. Then you click submit to finish the distributor creation. And also the installer account is the same. Yeah. When you finish the installer and the distributor or the end user account creation, here you can also click this icon to do the edit of the the installer account or the end user and the distributor account. Also, uh, when you uh, when you do the new creation, end user account creation, here you can see we have an icon that show you create the plan. Here, here you can click here to more quickly to create the plan for the end user, and also you can reset the password for this end user if end user forget the login password. Here you can see I share to reset password. Click OK, then the password of this end user account will be back to the default 123456. Yeah. And uh, by the way, I will if you want to see more the details of the inverters, and here you can click inverter here and click here to go into more detail of the inverter. Here you can see the models and the PC version and the display board version, control board version, and the monitoring module serial number, and the owner of this inverter. And here's showing you the warranty period, warranty date, start date and end date. Here is the graph of the current AC output power. The graph is showing the AC output power, and here you can select the parameters you want as you want. Here you can see we have AC output power and the PV1 power, PV2 power, and the PV3 power, and also the input voltage and the input current. So you can select whatever you want here. Then you will see the graph. And also you can go through the history graph here, and also the date and the month and the year. Also here, you can more quickly to go into the monthly generation and the yearly generation and the total generation of this inverter ever done. And here is showing the total generation of this inverter start from the first day generation till now. And what's more, here also you can go through the history around of this inverter. And here you can see the alarm date and the voice the arrow appear here. And and if you want to go through the real time date of this inverter, you can click here real time to go to the another interface to show you the detailed date parameters. Here you can see we have showing the PV current, PV voltage and the current. No, we also what's more we also can show the string current of each string. And here we are showing the AC output voltage and the current and the frequency here. Here is the real-time power, and the load state will be updated every 10 minutes. And energy today means the generation of today and generation of the total generation of this inverter. And here's the time of the date upload. And the same, you can also go through the history date here, data here, yeah. And if you want to go through the all parameters details, you can click here to export the Excel file. Then you can go through the more information. Yeah, as you can see, the PV voltage and the current, string current, and the AC voltage, AC current, AC output power, and also the temperature of this inverter. Okay. Okay. Here we are showing is all the information about our monitoring eSolar portal, and next time we will show you the we will have the webinar to introduce our eSolar OIM and the eSolar Air of the application on the smartphone. And so here is the today's webinar, and thank you all to join our today's webinar, and see you next time. Bye bye.